Hi everyone, my name is Lena Komina and today I'm gonna to show you how to connect two beaded kumihimo cords using twin or Superduo beads. Using this technique, you can create wonderful jewelry like this. Twin or Superduo beads are the beads with double hole. For the sample project, I'll use beige seed beads and black twin bead. I prepared a small sample loop pattern for this video. It will be 8 strands braid, so we will need 8 pieces of thread. Also, I'll use these beige seed beads and black twin bead. Here it is. The pattern says string 4 beige, 1 twin, 23 beige seed beads to the strand number 1. Here it is. 4, 1, 23, strand number 1, and also string 32 beige beads on each of other strands. Here it is. I've already done it. By the way, I always use handmade cardboard bobbins because it's very convenient for me. I can number them and it's really convenient. Then next, the pattern says braid until the beads are over on the strand number 1. Okay, let's braid. I usually use the way of braiding. Top left goes down, bottom right goes up. But in my patterns you can see 2 ways of braiding. You can choose the most convenient for you. Turn the braid again, top right, drop the bead, goes down, bottom left, goes up, turn, and so on. Okay, I finished this part of braiding. The next thread for moving is strand number 1, and the beads are over on the strand number 1. Now the pattern says make a connection. For this, take strand number 1, remove it from the bobbin, and also remove it from the slot of the disc. Now thread the needle. I always use loom bead needle with a piece of far line that makes a loop at the end of the needle. Now pass the thread into the hole of the disc. Here it is. Oh. Okay, here it is. And now strand. Okay, now pass our needle through the hole of our twin bead this way. Okay, now we need to put the thread back the same way. This way. Okay, I'll try to show you this. Here it is. Now we made the loop, and strand number 1 is ready for stringing the rest of seed beads for our loop. Let's string 3 more seed beads to the strand number 1. Oh my god. 1, 2, 2, and 3. Okay. Put the bobbin back. It prevents seed beads from falling from our thread, and continue braiding. Start with strand number 1 and so on. Oh no, we don't need a seed bead for this turn. We also have our twin bead. Okay, top left goes down, bottom right goes up, and so on. Okay, I finished our loop. It turned out very good. It is flexible a little bit. Using this technique, you can create beautiful jewelry like this red necklace and matching bracelet. So, see you in my Etsy shop. Bye bye.